The US 10-year Treasury note crashed as CPI came in the highest since June 2024. We gave up the 109 handle entirely, smashing through 108.13, and finally finding support at the base of the 108 handle. If we can pivot, we may retrace some of this gap, otherwise expect the low 108s to provide support. Gold retraced to $2,891 as predicted yesterday. The KMI are still strong, but a reasonable retracement is still expected, especially after making new highs yesterday. We should be able to recover the trend, but if not, $2,871 should provide further support. The next targets above are $2,915, then $2,954. The S&P 500 got slammed by a worrisome CPI print. We are currently testing 6,000. If this level breaks, we could test the low of TER range back to 5,946. A pivot could make a run for 6,071 again, but we expect some ranging to feel out of price range. Oil topped out just under $73.80. The KMI have topped out as well, suggesting the bear momentum may have returned. If so, we could feel out the bottom of the $70 handle again. If not, $73.80 remains our upper target. The DXY spiked sharply higher after CPI came in red hot. We hit 108.50, where a red triangle on the KRI confirmed resistance. If we can push past that, 109.26 is the next target. A rejection could test 107.80. Bitcoin rejected $97.7K and is selling off, fueled by the stock market sell-off. We should have support at $92,000. As mentioned many times here, a pivot could test $97.7K, but expect resistance there. Ethereum appears to be consolidating between $2,556 and $2,762. The KMI are drifting higher, but we are not hopeful of a breakout just yet. Litecoin retraced the entire rally back to $114.30, exactly as we predicted yesterday. We are currently actually testing the level below that, likely fueled by the CPI sell-off in stocks. Expect support at $111.55 or $109.09. Green triangles on the KRI indicate support, so we may be able to pivot back to $114.30.